What up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming up with another tutorial, and now we're going to start our tutorial in C Sharp. I haven't done a video for about 2 weeks. I've been busy and also sick at the same time, and all together didn't allow me just to do it. But it doesn't matter. So because now we're starting, and this is our new first program. As you can tell, I'm using Visual Studio IDE right here to edit our programs. And let's talk about what we have over here. As you can tell, as you can see on the screen, the Visual Studio already generated a C# program for us. Hello world, right? Let's talk about what is using system. Using system, it is a namespace called system that has a bunch of classes in it. And one of the classes we're going to be using, which is the class system.console, which is this one right here. And also it says that write line, which is a function or a method that will let us print a string, as you can see right here. Also, we can create our namespace called hello world, as we already did right here. And inside the namespace hello world, there is a class program that has been generated as a default for us, which we have it right here. And now inside the class program, we have a main method, which is static. Oh man, I can't even pronounce that. Void. So void means that it will not return any values, or it will not accept any parameters. The more programs that we build, we're going to be seeing the difference between returning methods that will return values and other methods that will not return values, like in this case, no returning values. Okay, so right here on the right, we have the name of the program itself. If you do a right click, if you open the folder in the File Explorer, it will tell us what the folder is. And we have the Hello World folder. And then we have the Hello World SLN, which is the solution. Cool beans. All right, so let's start over here. So if we run this program, Hello World, it will show us on the console. Let's do that. Let's run it. And we got Hello World, our first program, right? Okay, let's make it a little bit more interesting. So let's add something else. Let's do console write line, and we can open and close parentheses and double quotes, and then we can just type, this is our first program. And just remember that you have to type, or you have to end with a semicolon right here. Like usually in Python, it doesn't matter, right? It's either it doesn't have it, it will execute a program with no issues. But right here in C Sharp, it just kind of tells you, hey, there is something going on, you're missing something, you gotta add it. Always semicolon at the end, and they will disappear that red line right there. And then we print it, or we execute it or run it, and then it will give us hello world, this is our first program. Nice. So let's do this. Let's get rid of this inside, and let's ask a question. Maybe, hello world, what is your name? What is your name? Okay, we want you to enter your name right here. We're going to ask the user that. Okay, and now we're going to use a string variable. Okay, we're going to learn a little bit more about variables in a little bit. We're going to call it str equals to console that read line. So what console read line is going to do is going to allow the user to type a line of text. Finish with semicolon. And now right here, we're going to do something cool. Console that write line, open parentheses and close, and then we're going to do double quotes, and then we are going to say the following. What is your name, right? We're going to say um let's do, let's just do what up. Let's do what up, what up, plus we're going to concatenate right here. We want to use the str, which is the variable name. Another concatenation, we're going to say maybe comma right there, and we're going to say what up, that's a cool name. And let's end it, semicolon. Okay, and let's run the program. Okay, cool. We got hello world, which we have that. What is your name? Let's put Pastor. That's my name. And it says, what up, Pastor? That's a cool name. Nice. Do you see that? Awesome. That's our first hello world program. So we're going to be doing more tutorials. There is so much to learn on this one. All right. All right, guys. Hopefully this helped you out. And have a good night. And I will see you maybe in the next tutorial. Okay. Thanks. Bye.